So the next part of the experiment is, see, this is the equipment, high voltage breakdown testing. So this means that we have to apply high voltage. High voltage is around 1 kV voltage across this 3-phase induction motor, and we will see whether the insulation is okay or not. So if there is a insulation failure, you will hear a beep sound from this machine, and if the beep sound does not comes, that means the insulation of the motor is okay. Now as you can see, different equipments that are installed in it. This is a emitter, this is ampere meter, 1 ampere 100 milliampere, and this is voltmeter, right? What is the rating? Voltmeter 0 to 5 kV. Rating of voltmeter is 0 to 5 kV, and rating of emitter is 100 milliampere. Now as you can see, there is a fuse provided here. So in case of a short circuit, if there is an over voltage or over current, this fuse blows. This is the on mains. This is used to adjust the current, and this is a variac which is used to adjust the voltage. These are the two electrodes. So one electrode will be connected to each phase, and one electrode will be connected to the body of the motor. Now we will see how to perform this experiment. So we will switch on the main supply first. We will switch on the mains. Now as you can see, the moment you switch on the mains, you see HT is on, HT is off, and you can see the buzzer. So this is the controlling switch. The moment we will press this switch, now our high tension supply is on. No buzzer sound. Now look at the value of emitter. We have set the value to 0.13 milliampere. Now I will increase the voltage slowly and steadily with the help of this variac to 1 kV. We will not give voltage over 1 kV because 1 kV is high voltage. If I give voltage beyond 1 kV, it may damage the motor also. So we will not give voltage beyond 1 kV. Now you can see I am rotating this variac and the voltage is increasing. So it is exactly 1 kV now, and I have connected one terminal with one phase and another with the body of the motor. Now as you can see, no buzzer sound is heard. That means the insulation across this phase is good. Now I will connect it with another phase. See, again no buzzer sound is coming. This indicates that the insulation resistance is high across the phase winding. Now we will connect it with the third phase. Again no sound is coming. That means the insulation resistance of this phase is also high. Now if we short circuit both the terminals, if I check, see, through the body it is short circuited. Now you can hear the buzzer sound coming. See, HT is off. Now again we will reset this switch and it is on. So in order to close this buzzer sound, we have to press this control switch that is provided on the electrode. So the moment the fault comes, the on is converted into off. This green light will glow and the buzzer will start blowing. So this indicates, yes, see, this indicates the moment fault come, voltage becomes 0, current becomes 0. Why? Because the high tension supply is switched off automatically for the protection purpose. Now when we operate this switch, see, again high tension supply is on. Look at the value. Again the value of current is same, voltage is same as we have set. So in the fault condition, the moment the fault come, all the values are reset. Sir, kariyo ek bari short. See, the moment it is short, all the values become 0 and you can see HT off, green light is on. Now we will reset it. Sir, kariyo plus. The moment we have reset it, all the values are same. So this is how we are going to perform high voltage test across a 3-phase induction motor to check its insulation resistance.